think the most fun for me and sometimes the most challenging is my daughter Maggie is into doing this with me, and she's like the one that pushes me to get out the Halloween decorations. She was dragging them out of the basement last weekend just to inspire me to get going. And once I get going, it's the happiest day of the year for me. And we always try to add something new. So she's been wanting these dead babies, like life-size dead child for a while now. I remember her being like 3 or 4, and we were in a Halloween store, and they had like kids on a swing, dead kids on a swing that went like this. And I have a video of it. It popped up the other day, and she's just standing there like this in total enjoyment. Most kids were super freaked out. So this year we did a lot of scenes. And they evolved. So I have these life-size zombie women, and I put one behind a chair, and then my older daughter Ellie was like, she should be chaining someone to the chair and killing them. So yeah, these are the conversations we have. So we put a skeleton in the chair, and they wrapped chains around him, and we stuck a knife in his, and then, so that was one of the scenes. And then of course we have the skeletons eating at the table. It's just a classic. But we dressed them differently this year. One of them has a top hat, a scarf. The other one has like eyeballs looking up at a mouse that's on his hat. I have this picture of it's an oil painting of a guy. And I thought, I'm gonna stick him on the mantle. And that's just the typical haunted house. Drape the stuff over it. That was a lot of fun. And then we added and then we never have anything in the family room. So we went and got the dead baby, the dead kid, and the ghostly child holding the ghostly baby. And Maggie did that. She put the doll inside of the doll, which I thought was genius. We always put bones in the fireplace, and anybody can do that. Just go get a bag of bones, toss them in, and then put a bunch of candles in there. You can light the candles every night and like have the hand bones sticking out, and the leg bone and the foot bone. That's just really fun. I love that everyone sends me, I think I've become known for Halloween because people that I barely interact with on Facebook at this time of year, or Instagram or email, they start sending me like just every kind of Halloween scene or gadget or item, and I think it's really fun. It makes me feel very loved.